What's going on YouTube? I'm back with another video, back to back. Y'all see from the title, I'm going full on stage today in my 2020 C63s. So, we are currently at Weistec Engineering in Anaheim. So before, in the comments I started saying about the tunes, before I need to tell y'all, if you have a 2019 and older, be prepared to spend $3,500 or more on the tune, full tune, because they said in the 2019 models and older, there's two separate ECU tunes that you got. It's called an ECU and a CPC module tune. So each one was like $1,700 each. So I just went to the bank, got all cash for my tune. It's about a 4-hour job. So right now, my boy Suave, y'all see. Now that man has a bad vehicle. He got the same car as me. 2018 C63. He got the same thing, downpipes, intakes. We got the same parts on our car. But he's DME tuning. So we have two separate tunes. I got Weistec, he has DME. You wanna go ahead and give him a little start up? Show him a little something. Let's see, before he started up, just look at his car, man. That motherfucker's beautiful. He got the red headlights. He got carbon side skirts. You gotta go to the back.
I know I'm about to.
Don't get it.
Huh? I'm not.
Bad vehicle, man. When I tell y'all, so gonna pop his hood. He gonna show y'all what he got. Whatever he got is what I got. So might look a little different because he wrapped his and go through shit. BRP intakes. Now the gold stuff, you gonna tell me what that is?
Basically, heat wrap thing is supposed to keep the heat in the intake. So it's basically not sucking in too much heat. So it's going to heat soak the motor.
So basically, it's good for your engine, man. That's all you need to know. You got a heat shield, heat wrap, shit. Everything looks good. So yeah, man. I want to show y'all my car right now, but the crank work on. I ain't gonna go mess with them nothing. Yeah, that's about it. So we're probably gonna all hang out, eat a little bit, and then I'll come back to y'all. My car's fully done. Can't wait. Now, it's time to get V-locks on it. I gotta get big ass tires on it because I ain't gonna be able to handle the power with the little Nitos. But I'll be back to y'all. The car's done. I'll show you what it sounds like. Yes, the rims, everything I want to see. And yeah, I'll be able to show y'all. All right, everybody, we back. Just paid for the tune. As y'all can see, $3,500. That's what you're gonna be looking at to pay. Well, at least at Weistec. I don't know about everybody else tuning. So he said gonna put a car around the front, and let's go to the front. We're gonna see. Right now it's raining, so I can't give y'all no heavy pulls. So that's a bummer. But I do got something else for y'all today. I'm going to show y'all my numbers where we're gonna be at today. I got a Dyno Jet appointment.
How would you take that?
We got a Dyno Jet appointment at 2:30 today. Me and my boys, so we're gonna both see where we at. We're gonna see the difference between the DME tuning and the Weistec tuning. So we're gonna see which one is better. Yeah, man. We should hopefully. Actually, it didn't take that long as what he said. He said at 3. I don't got my phone on me. What's the time of it? 11:21. So we're good about. I mean, we've been here since 9. So about 2.5 hour job. Not bad. Yeah. Let's hope it's to my liking. You know, I don't gotta get nothing else done to it. Because if it is, I'm gonna be broke.
The cable that's in there for you, the OBD, if you want to do it on your own. So, yeah. You guys are all set. Enjoy. Obviously, it kind of sucks. You can't really have fun with it now, but it's cool, man. Have a good one.
All right, man. Appreciate it. Like
Okay,
I said,
take
if
it
y'all want stage 2, come to Weistec.
That's
They gonna get it done to y'all. Let's see how it sounds, man.
Go behind.
Yeah. First start of stage 2.
Don't blow my eardrums, dude.
All right, everybody. It's done. I got an appointment at 2. It's 12 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna come back to y'all in 2 hours. I'm gonna meet back up with my boy at the Dyno shop, and we're gonna see what we're making. I'm gonna go fix my intakes in a minute, and yeah. All right, my boy, I'm gonna see you. All right, everybody, I'll be back to y'all in a minute. All right, everybody, we're here at the Dyno shop. See, they're doing that big moment in there. She purring. So now I'm hoping that we get about, I want to say I'll be comfortable around 580 to 600 on the wheel. That's what I'll be comfortable with. So, yeah, man, let's hope. I'm excited for it.
You can get the mufflers with them too, or just the downpipes?
Just downpipes. So hopefully we on there. Lifting my boy up. We got Slow Man right here. I'm gonna burn his ass. I got something for him. I got Slow him.
The man in charge is 17.
He got a slow cat. Let's hope, man. Morning, everybody. This is the next day after dyno testing, and I forgot to tell y'all my numbers. So right here, I'll show y'all my numbers. All right, everybody. So I made 541 to the wheels. That was the max power that I was able to get, and 419 torque. I'm gonna go get a dyno one more time just to be sure that those are my correct numbers. But as of right now, I'm pretty satisfied with it. That's about it. But I want to appreciate everybody for tuning into the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I got some more things coming down to the car. So, yeah, everybody just tune in for more content. And I'll see you next time on the next video. Peace.